whatever it is that you think about, you believe. And whatever it is that you believe, you attract. It's always gonna be this way. While thinking, if you could feel the emotions, you literally tap into the most powerful source that exists within the universe. Everyone, Muskan this side, and if you are new to this channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. That really helps with my engagement. And without further ado, let's get started with today's video. In this video, I would be giving you an affirmation which is literally so powerful, which is tried and tested, and this affirmation will literally help you manifest all of your different desires in just one go. With this one simple affirmation, you could literally manifest all of the different desires which you have on your vision board. And I am super excited for you to give this affirmation to you. But before that, I'm going to give you a little brief as to how you can reprogram your mind and how actually the law of attraction works. So everything starts with energy, and everything starts with a thought, with you thinking about a thought. What actually is manifestation? When you are thinking about certain thoughts again and again and again in your mind, and when those thoughts solidifies itself into your physical form, materializes itself into your 3D reality, that's when you say that you have manifested your desire or your goal. Now, your thoughts are powerful. Whatever life you are living right now, it's because of the thoughts which you had in the past. It's because of the beliefs that you have in the past, and that's the reason the kind of life which you are living right now is because of the thoughts which you thought in the past. Now, if you want to change your future, if you want to actually have your future in the way you want to, you will have to change the thoughts which you are having today in your present reality. That's when your thoughts will change your future, because ultimately your thoughts create your destiny. Your thoughts decide if you are going to have a very positive future or if you are going to have a very negative future. Your thoughts are literally powerful. But it's not just the thoughts that are powerful, it's the dominant thoughts which are powerful. Like, we as human beings literally have 60,000 thoughts a day, and it would be ridiculous to think if every thought which we think of comes into reality. And that's why whatever it is that you beliefs are, in whatever thought you are giving your intention to, in whatever thought you are giving your power to, those are the thoughts which manifest. So it's not like any thoughts gonna manifest, it's your dominant thoughts gonna manifest. For example, if you have this nature of always thinking negatively about finance, are always gonna have this love-hate relationship with money. The money is just not gonna sustain in your life, because these are what your thoughts are about money. If your predominant thoughts about money, that is your intention towards money, is evil, is poor, you are never going to manifest it. So it's the dominant thoughts and your intense beliefs about something which decides the kind of things which you are having in your life right now. If it's a relationship, what beliefs do you have about your relationship? What assumptions do you have your relationship? How do you feel about that relationship? How do you feel that this relationship would turn out to be? All the answer to these questions is your beliefs about the relationship. So the intensity with which you have your beliefs, the intensity with which you believe about something, that is going to actually manifest in your life. Even though you might say to me that, Muskan, I do have these good beliefs about something, good beliefs about money, about relationship, about wealth, but still I'm not able to attract it. It's because you are consciously believing these things to be actually true in your life, but subconsciously you have this limiting beliefs. I mean, there are two parts in a brain. That's the conscious mind, which is a logical mind, and the subconscious mind, which is the illogical mind. And subconscious mind is the mind which is actually responsible for creating 95% of your reality. Consciously, you might believe that you do not have any limiting beliefs, but subconscious mind say that you have some subconscious reprogramming to do. You know what you have to do. Now, about the affirmation, I wanted to let you know that affirmations are powerful. You can literally speak things into existence. You could literally fake it until you make it. And that's the only thing which I want you to do. But I want you to remember, to always remember that if you are not able to feel the affirmation to your core, feel whatever it is that you are speaking, and you are not able to believe it to be true, the affirmation will not work. That's where you have to believe this pretend game, where you are pretending that you have everything that you want before you actually have it. You have to be that version of yourself who is already having the things that he or she wants. How will he walk? How will he or she talk? How will she talk to her friends? Everything that he or she will do, everything that you will do after you get your manifestation or your desire or your intention, you have to do it right now in this present reality. Because if you couldn't feel it, you couldn't believe it, and if you would not be able to believe it, you'll definitely not be able to attract it. Here the affirmation goes. The affirmation is, all my intentions are manifesting right now. Again, all my intentions are manifesting right now. I swear to God, this affirmation is very powerful. This affirmation has been tried and tested by me, and it absolutely works only when you're able to feel whatever it is that you're saying right now. Because, as Neville Goddard says, feeling is the key. Feeling is the ultimate key to the universe. I'm saying that this affirmation is powerful because you could literally manifest multiple desires by just speaking this one affirmation. For example, all of us have different intentions to actually manifest. We might want a phone, we might want a job, we might want wealth, a relationship, money, good home. So instead of having different affirmations for all of these different intentions or your desires, you could literally have this one intention which literally uses the law of attraction in the law of attraction. And you could use manifestation for being a better manifester, and this one affirmation will literally have effects on all of the different intentions which you have. You could use it like by seeing your vision board. On your vision board, you might have different pictures of your intentions and desires. You could literally look at your vision board, and while looking at your vision board, you could speak this affirmation out loud or to yourself, saying that all my intentions are coming true right now. You could use manifestation for being a better manifester, and this one affirmation will literally have effects on all of the different intentions which you have. You could use it like by seeing your vision board. On your vision board, you might have different pictures of your intentions and desires. You could literally look at your vision board, and while looking at your vision board, you could speak this affirmation out loud or to yourself, saying that all my intentions are coming true right now. While you actually manifest one intention out of the so many intentions which you have, just hold that feeling and dwell onto that feeling and repeat this affirmation again. Because when you are repeating something again and again, you are breaking the old neural connections in your brain, and you are letting the new neural connections be born in your brain. This is how you reprogram your subconscious brain. This is how you break the old DNA and let the new DNA be born. Repeating, by speaking things into existence. And I kid not, affirmations are powerful. I had this recent example which I wanted to share with you all. I recently passed in one of these exams, and before I actually passed, I used to have this affirmation with me which I used to speak a lot. That is पूरे यूनिवर्स में कोई ऐसी पावर नहीं है जो मुझे पास होने से रोक ले. I literally used to say this affirmation or this sentence to me again and again and again till my subconscious mind actually believed that I've passed. So I was passed in my mind using this affirmation before I was actually passed in reality. So affirmations are powerful. Watching the video till now, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment what your thoughts are on the video till now. If you are struggling to reprogram your subconscious mind, if you are someone who is just not able to break those old neural connections in your brain and are struggling to form the new one, I have this video right over here for you where I have taught you in detail how you could actually reprogram your subconscious mind, and I'm sure this video is going to help you. So go watch this video right now. I'm going to meet you here.